Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we shall be tackling something rather simple, so I don't expect us to take long. What we shall be going through is Microsoft Word, and I'm going to give you a small introduction into Microsoft Word. And afterwards, I'm going to proceed to show you how to create a new Microsoft document to save your content. Uh, so first of all, Microsoft Word falls under an application software. It's created so that you can perform a particular tasks. Now, the number of tasks it can do are naturally unlimited. You can use it to create letters, CVs. You can use it to create essays. You can use it to make presentations and so much more. Now, to start by creating a Microsoft document, what we're going to do is simple. You're going to right click on your desktop and to bring for you a short menu. On the short menu, look for the option of new, and once you do, you'll find another sub short menu, and amongst them will be a number of Microsoft Office suite packages. What you're going to look for is Microsoft Word document, and you click on it just once. When you're finished doing that, you can move to your document, and there is an option of renaming the document. You can choose to rename the document after you're done with whatever you want to do, or you can do it now. I'm going to choose to do it now and name it Marvin's YouTube channel. Yeah. So to open your document, you just have to double tap and wait for it to load a bit. So this is our Microsoft document, and as you can see, the number of functions it's capable of performing. For example, uh, let me give you a small breakthrough. Inserting is used to create input types of a number of different applications. For example, you can create a table, and then you can insert a text box, a header, a footer, and so much more. Right? When you want to add another blank page, this is where you go. Anyway, so for the sake of demonstration, I'm going to copy some a document and paste it here. This is where I'll be getting my document from. So once you're done copying and pasting or doing your work, you can proceed. And there are two different ways in which you can save this work. You can either use a shortcut, which is Ctrl S, to save the work, and it will show up above here that your work has been saved. Or there is the option of autosave. Now, all these things enable you to finalize your document. And since we have already renamed our document, we do not have to do it later on. I thank you for paying attention, and I hope by the end of this video, you have managed to gain something. So please don't forget to like and subscribe.